Tired of manually entering every single receipt into your expense reports? Feeling like you're drowning in a sea of paper? You're not alone. But what if I told you there's a better way? A way to ditch the endless data entry and reclaim your time. That's where Expensify comes in. But here's the burning question: how many free scans do you actually get with Expensify? Let's dive in. Expensify is a powerful expense management platform that simplifies the entire process. From capturing receipts to submitting reports, it automates the tedious tasks and saves you a ton of time. But let's address that elephant in the room, the free scan limit. The good news is that Expensify offers a generous free plan. And yes, there is a limit to how many receipts you can scan for free. However, it's a pretty substantial limit, designed to give you a good taste of what Expensify can do. Here's the deal: with the free plan, you can typically scan a significant number of receipts each month. The exact number can vary depending on your specific plan and any promotions that might be running. But here's the thing: even if you exceed the free scan limit, Expensify still offers incredible value. You can still use many of its core features, such as creating expense reports, organize your expenses effortlessly, track spending categories, and easily submit reports. Connecting your bank accounts, automatically import transactions, categorize them, and reconcile your expenses with ease. Tracking mileage, log your business miles with GPS tracking and automatically generate mileage reports. Generating expense reports, create professional expense reports with just a few clicks. And if you need to scan more receipts than your free plan allows, you can easily upgrade to a paid plan. Expensify offers a variety of plans to suit different needs and budgets, so you can find the perfect fit for your business. Imagine a world where expense reports are no longer a dreaded chore. Imagine reclaiming hours of your time each week. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing your expenses are always organized and up to date. Expensify can make it happen. Ready to simplify your expense management? Visit the Expensify website today to learn more and sign up for your free account. With Expensify, saying goodbye to expense report headaches is easier than ever. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.